don't hate vegans. Great what you're doing. Thank you for helping the cows and the stuff. Great, do that. And I'm really happy for you. Keep doing it because I like animals, but I also eat them. So I'm kind of conflicted.
Welcome to the E.D'ORSTYLES channel. My name is E.D'OR. I'll be showing you one of my favorite salads you can have for lunch or add to any meal. Let's get started. For protein, I'll be using tofu. You can use whatever protein you like. I don't really eat meat and I prefer making my own protein with beans, sweet potatoes, etc. I'll be making videos for meat alternative, but today I had some tofu, so that's what I'll be using. I like to cut the tofu in chunks. It makes it easier for leftovers.
I know I can't be crushing on a girl who can't be here for long, so I told myself I should just stay away. But these lyrics keep coming.
Now let's start the seasoning because tofu is really bland. Sprinkle some extra virgin olive oil.
So words I'll never say.
Add onions, garlic, and shallots.
Wait for me.
Some Vega spice. If you use Maggi, this is a healthy alternative. There's no GMO or MSG and it tastes really good.
Rise, I swear that I'm not lying, 'cause I knew it's true from the first time.
Some Smokey Paprika.
Love with everything you say and all the doodles that you post, and every time you sing a song the people crowd a little.
Mix that all up and toss it in the oven for 20 to 30 minutes until golden. Turn them over midway.
But I know I should be moving on, 'cause you won't be here for very long, and there's no way I could ever make you stay. But at least I'll write this song for you, 'cause I don't know what else I can do when I'm home.
Now let's get into the salad. I'll be using purple cabbage,
These are words I'll never say, 'cause that's the
diced cucumbers,
me to say those words. Just wait and see, they'll come first.
bell peppers,
To look you in your eyes, I swear that I'm not lying, 'cause I knew
diced cherry tomatoes,
we met. I'm so in love with
carrots,
flies, way too
green onions,
high to make it last, but you're flying out in a few more
and voila. As for the sauce, it's a Thai-inspired sauce. You will need natural peanut butter. I use this soy sauce substitute because it's low in sodium and tastes really great.
with me. Has to
Some rice vinegar,
words I'll never say. You're special in
maple syrup,
me. I can't deny it, but lately I've been tired of hiding.
extra virgin olive oil,
Feel the same, but I need to
sriracha,
have to say the words I've known that
some diced ginger, garlic, and dried tomatoes,
I'm in love with you, you,
and lime juice.
you.
Mix that all up.
Since the day we met, I've been so in love with you.
Add spice of your choice. I always use Vega, it's my favorite, and then I add whatever else I like. So I tasted the sauce and added a few of the ingredients I wanted more of. I'm of Haitian descent. We don't really do recipes, so I go more so with my palate, so that's all up to you if you want to add as well.
I hope it's not obvious. My friends, they all caught it, saying I end up falling for you. I'm doing my best to hide these feelings, confessing it's the last thing.
I start by adding half of the sauce to make it easier for me to mix.
Girl who can't be here for long, so I told myself I should just stay away. But these lyrics keep coming out, I don't think I can stop it now. I wonder if they'll get to you one day. But I'll sing These are words I'll never say, 'cause that's the only way for me to say those words. Just wait and see, they'll come for sure. Too shy to look you.
Then just add some tofu on top, some sesame seeds, and enjoy.
Knew it's true from the first time we met. I'm so in love with it.
Super yummy. The recipe will be in the description box. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye!
Driving around at the partition fast. Over there, I swear I saw them cameras flash. Handprints and footprints on my glass. Handprints and good grips all on my ass.